Okay, so in today's video, oh, I didn't mean to do that, but basically I have a bunch of dungeons from Dungeon Quest. Like you see, there's a random wheel, and I just picked the Canals dungeon. That's cool, right? But what we're doing right now is we're going to be using these dungeons on this wheel here. There's a list of every dungeon in the Dungeon Quest from Desert Temple all the way to Northern Lands. And this is going to. I didn't include boss raids for this one. I just felt like this would be kind of I could do it, but like, so I'm going to basically be doing I'm going to be spinning the wheel. I'm going to be doing no armor challenge in each one, or not no armor challenge. I'm taking off my armor and putting it back on. If that doesn't work, that's sad. I'm going to have to survive, and then if I get a legendary or cosmetic, I'm going to have to give it away to someone, or a legendary. Whatever legendary I get, unless it's from Northern Lands, that is an exception. I'll have to give it away to someone. So yeah. Anyways, let's start this. Spin that wheel. Please give me something good. Yes, yeah. Orbital or VC. Orbital or VC. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. It's just orbital is so short. Okay, VC. I guess. I might on Clicker Simulator. Okay, well I guess let's get into VC. Yeah, also read my Roblox. I have 14. But yeah, I'm gonna smash my hand on the keyboard. I'm going to be at VC in seconds. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so I actually also chose a second wheel. We're also going to be doing classic or hardcore. Classic is non-hardcore. Hardcore is hardcore. We're going to be choosing what mode we do it on. Classic would be a lot easier, but it looks like we're gonna have to go for hardcore. Yep. Here we go. Oh, this is gonna be bad. I can already tell. Okay, so I apparently can't do anything to my armor, so I'm going to be doing a big range strat. Like I can't just randomly take my armor off. As you can see, I'm clicking, but what I can do is I can put my HP at a very low thing. Like I can do that. Put it back on. See, now I have pretty low health. And I'll put it at, what's my lowest health thing? This. And then I'll maybe take it back. Ah, gosh. Okay, we still have kind of a lot of HP. God, how I wish this was a little bit easier, but alright, I guess I can live with this for now. But we're on hardcore, we only have half of our HP. Sorry, I couldn't do like a real no armor challenge. But you have half of our HP. I'll make sure to take it off in lobby next time. How about if I get hit? Yeah, basically if I get hit, it's over. And we have 11 minutes. We have all the time in the world. Oh, you know that mage over there. Yeah, these walkers. Gosh. Also, if you're wondering if you saw on the wheel, that there was a dungeon called Worst Dungeon. In case you haven't looked at my tier list video, the dungeon would actually have to be Ghastly Harbor. I mean, I might actually make another tier list. That was actually pretty close to me, honestly. But what is my graphics at? Let me actually change that up. Graphics mode. I think this is necessary. Yeah. Okay, it might be a tiny bit more laggy on your guys' end, but it's a little necessary now that we get to see the feel of the dungeon, kind of, instead of just seeing like a blank sky, over there. But now it's a little bit better. I mean, I could probably survive these mages, but as long as I just keep moving straight. The thing that I love about this dungeon is that it's basically you just run straight, in a straight line. The only turn you make is the staircase. Quark Temple, it's the complete opposite. Alright, stupid boy. I hate this guy so much. Don't do your thing. Thank you. I actually killed him surprisingly quickly, even before he did his lines. Yeah, that's the most annoying boss probably in like almost the game. Besides Bob the Frost Giant from Northernlands. If I get selected on Northernlands, I'm literally gonna cry because Northernlands is so hard. I'll probably do a part 2 to this as well because I'm so lucky they didn't attack me from there. What is this? Bro, what is this game? What is this game? Okay, no, I forgot how easy those guys were to dodge. They just do small, like, circles. Oh, by the way, fun fact. I might actually make a video on updates that didn't come out to Dungeon Quest that were confirmed to come out, but didn't. If you didn't see the Volcanic Chambers leaks, see the second staircase? It was actually supposed to go all the way down there, but for some apparent reason they decided not to do that. It was in the leaks of Volcanic Chambers when I was so hyped for it. Or no, actually, I was in Ghastly Harbor and St. back then, so I shouldn't be talking. Those mages can just change your life. They can end it for the worst. I know they haven't like really done any of their moves yet, but like, look at this. Look at these mages. Like, see, they can just drop out rectangles right there. Okay, Lava King. This guy is gonna beat me up. Like, actually, unless I one-shot him right away, he's gonna destroy me. This is like a really hard boss. Shoot. Oh, I'm so lucky there. I was actually so lucky. Okay, I got trash, GG. Alright, let's spin the wheel again and not waste any more time. Alright, I took 0 damage in VC. Let's see what we got here. No, not again! Okay, just for the sake of the video, I'm not gonna do VC again. Alright. Let's get ourselves a different dungeon. Just don't be VC. Why is VC so Samurai? Huh. Oh, I should have done like a nightmare or something. Yeah, I'm just gonna do nightmare at all. Alright, let's see. It doesn't really matter. I'm not gonna die anyways. Just do hardcore. Bruh. Okay, this is basically like a free win. Easily. Alright, let's just go. Like, I'm not gonna die in Samurai Palace, so like, I almost just want to do hardcore, but I made the wheel, so I've gotta listen to it. One green foot. Green part. Also, I finally figured out why it's called R15, because it's 15 joints. Oh, I can't do the sweet hardcore that could get me the legendary that I've deeply wanted. Oh yeah, again, if I get a legendary or something, this video I'll have to give it away. One of you guys. And then I'll pick you guys from the comments, put you guys on the wheel, and then, you know, stuff. So, also for the sake of time, I'm just gonna, you know, beat the dungeon because I know I'm not gonna die, and then I'll record the final boss. That sounds reasonable. Right? Yeah, it does. Let's go. Alright. I'm almost at the final boss. I basically took, like, no damage. In fact, let me just... Oh, I forgot I can't take this stupid thing off. Oh my god. This makes it a lot harder. Oh, I took a little bit of damage. That sucks. Didn't get a legendary anyways, so, you know. Easy. Alright. Now, let's spin again. Please don't be the worst dungeon. I want one to get a Cosmetica. No! Oh my god. Wow, how is VC so common? Like, that's just... I don't know how. My bad, I just ended the recording there. Oopsies. Alright, we're spinning it again. VC! What is my luck today? Why do I keep getting VC? Oh my god, this game just... I think... Is it trying to tell me that I'm gonna get a legendary in VC or something? If the next time I go in VC... Okay, thank you! My favorite dungeon! Thank you so much. Oh my god. Thank god. I was like, okay, I better get a legendary in VC. But thank gosh it's my... Oh, whoa, wait, hold on. Let me see what we got. Ooh, hardcore. Oh, we're going hardcore. Oh gosh, this is gonna be a fun one. Alright, let's go. No. Actually, I forgot, I'm already in a game. I'm stupid. Yeah, okay. This is gonna be an interesting one. Alright, for the sake of this one, I'm actually not going to be taking my armor off. Because, you know, Clock Temple is hard either way. I actually did earlier. A Clock Temple, it is my favorite dungeon.
So you said 2 cancellations for tomorrow, so I'm done at 7 now.
And I'll explain why. First of all, in case you don't know me too well, I like blue, I like water, I like ice. I'm making a video right now, and I just love like the water theme of this dungeon. Like a lot of people hate that it's a VC copy, but honestly, I don't care. As long as it's a water dungeon and that it looks really cool. Like they put so much background detail into it, and I think it looks really cool. And I'm gonna die probably, but still. Oh my god. Also, they need to put like not like you know how they added the M for the million. They need to do that with the XP instead of just having that be like that. And then they need to put the M and B and stuff for health and stuff on other like players as well. It definitely helped when they did that with the mobs. That was really helpful. But yeah. The only thing I think they did lazy was this part. Unless it was part of the design, like the ramp for that. But, like, either way, look, we're literally on water right now. We're on, like, a path on water. I love water. And it's even raining outside, which is even better. Like raining in the dungeon. And then I also love the bosses. I love that there's, like, a tower you have to climb to get to the second boss. It's pretty sick. And then there are, like, mobs guarding the second boss on the tower, like the golem mobs. Like I just like this dungeon a lot. And there's a bridge over there. It leads to the final boss. Like, oh my god, this dungeon brings so many memories. Alright, but the only thing that is hard about this dungeon is the stupid one-shot boss. The boss is a one-shot line. The golem. Basically just a bigger version of the warrior mob, but I'm gonna try and not take any damage here. Okay, I didn't. Yeah, by the way, if you stand right here, it's basically like an instant kill if you even try. And then after he does that, he does like a bunch of like more lines, and then he does the one-shot line 3 times, which is so annoying. My friends actually found a way to jump over it. And of course, before the final boss, I'm gonna heal because look at my HP right now. Alright, and then I love these stairs so much. Like, it's just you climb up the staircase to the final boss. Who's on that circle up there? How did I not hit them? I'm very confused about that. Alright. Nice, he came. Now I'm gonna quickly heal myself. Oh, life dash. Shoot. Oh god. Mage weapon. I gotta wait 2 more seconds. Amazing. Alright. Alright, let's equip the legendary Mjolnir. I'm not sure if I told you guys I got it. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I did, but I got a Mjolnir 69.8. I traded my EIR for it. Alright. This is going to be and also Bell Blue Guard Helm. I can one-shot the boss. It's just he's so annoying sometimes. Okay, yeah, I got it. Easy. Dang, I got trash. And if you're like, oh cool, you might get the cause. Actually, I already have the cause, which is pretty sick. So yeah, that was the video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.